Welcome back to The Lead. I'm Jake Tapper in something new that we're calling the Tech Lead, an innovative new idea that might be a breakthrough in the global fight against Ebola. Doctors are desperate for new ways to identify the disease in its early stages. That could help save thousands of lives as Ebola continues to ravage West Africa. Now, here in the U.S., a new plan is in place should there be another outbreak of Ebola. Right now, President Obama is at the National Institutes of Health, where he is about to announce that 36 hospitals across the country are now designated to deal with infected patients. Quite an upgrade from the 4 that were specially equipped before the outbreak. But what if medical professionals could use a blood test to detect Ebola in the early stages before patients got so sick? Well, a California company says they have one ready for distribution to the front lines. It's currently awaiting FDA approval, and it has not been independently tested. Joining me now is Kerry Gunn. He's the founder and CEO of Genelite, the company that makes these rapid response tests. Kerry, thanks so much for joining us. Do you have any indication how accurate these tests are compared to the current Ebola testing system?
Exactly. So there's 2 different types of testing for Ebola. There's rapid testing that is coming down, and there's testing for nucleic acid, which is what's being done today in the United States. That's not suitable for use in the field in Africa. The technology that's being used or being deployed in Africa is a lateral flow. It's basically based on a piece of paper, and it's not very accurate at all. Our technology is substantially more accurate and more sensitive than any other rapid test.
Okay, so you brought some of these silicon chips. Show us, and what are we talking about? What are they?
This is the technology. There's a small silicon chip at the top, and we draw blood up this. It's essentially a straw. We draw the blood up over the chip, and we can detect virus and proteins as it binds to the chip.
Now, you said these tests are most effective within the 8 to 10 days after someone contracts Ebola. But that does mean, of course, there's always this room, right, this wiggle room between contracting Ebola and showing symptoms. So theoretically, somebody could have Ebola, be tested on that before they get on an airplane, and then still actually end up with Ebola. That's different from other tests, not at all, but it's not perfect, right? You
can't close the window to 0 days.
You can't.
So
okay.
There's time between the infection and when it's detectable. We believe we're going to be able to close that window more substantially than any other rapid test, but we can't close it to 0 days.
If you're given FDA approval, how long would it take to get these tests to be used where they're needed the most in West Africa?
So the technology is commercial today. It is for sale. The instrument is commercial. The chips are commercial. So we're ready to start supplying this as soon as we get approval.
And lastly, they don't only detect Ebola, right? They detect other diseases, malaria?
Exactly. So the biggest need when you're in Africa is someone comes in with a fever. It can be one of 15 different fevers. There's a large number of different fevers: yellow fever, Lassa fever, malaria, dengue. The list goes on and on. So the trick is when someone comes in a fever, is it Ebola or is it something else? And we can detect 15 different pathogens at one time.
Are there a lot of competing devices?
There's no other rapid tests can do 15 at one time. They can only do 1. There's one technology that might be able to do 3.
All right, Kerry Gunn, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.